Got invited on a pretty good hunt today. We're down in Owatonna, Minnesota. We got 7 shooters. Feeded about 300 geese in a cornfield. Got about 10 minutes shooting light. Just getting our spread going now. And yeah, we get settled in here. It should be a good one. Right here, they're right here. Take them. There we go, boys. Woohoo! Did we get that first one? I'm pretty sure I shot it like 2 feet. Yeah, I hit it. I think I shot it, or did I not? I couldn't even tell if I hit it because it's so close. Get loud, get loud. Take off! There you go. There you go. Nice shot. Good shot. Good shot. Oh, it's still going. Like when I say get loud, I was like get loud, get loud. Yep, here they come. Coming in. Should we do them? Go up. We shot the same bird. Where'd you shoot that one? Because it was on my side. Call, keep calling, keep calling. This front flock. Right here, these ones. Yep. Ready? Yep. Kill him, boys! Good shooting, there. Got another one. Back on the cold. There's 2 coming around, 2 coming around. Should we let them land?
No, let me see if they do it right. Go up front, guys. Take him out.
Got one. Go shoot, boys! We got 2 over here. Band! We got a band! Yes! Yep, we got a band! That's a sweet bird. It's an old one.
Old dog.
You got a band.
Nice, dude. That's awesome. Good deal.
Too bad they all got up at once, but that's an old bird, I think. Markings on it?
I think so.
Not too old, but a couple years. That one's...
Here you go. You guys draw for him or what you guys do? Cool. So all three that I pulled up on and shot, I watched all three of them curl. That's the first time I've ever had all three hit.